Shit's hard up. What's the current altitude on it? Current altitude is 8,093 feet. It's dope. Red cone closed, Webster closed. Let's see how far we can get, huh?
So we got a little bit of a situation here. We came around the corner over here at Red Cone and we ran up on Mama Moose and Baby Moose, and now they're just camped on the trail. So what to do? It's all your world, B. Shut stop, yo. Shut up, for real. Okay, Mama's on the move. Mama's on the move.
Alright, maybe we should make a run for it now. We gotta go around this corner, and if it comes up this hill chasing you, you can just hit the fucking gas.
Jeez.
Yeah, you're more than good. Yeah, you got plenty of space. Check this out. Yeah, when you step in that
it's
shit,
melting
it gets
pretty
a little
good.
scary.
What's that?
It gets a little scary when you step in that shit. Think about tires going through that. Where are you going? Nowhere.
Oh, it's in my boot. That's why you tie your boots, kids. Yo, why do you think it's red like that?
All the sediment.
You don't think it's like a rust from the mines or something?
No, this is sediment washing down.
Sediment.
Sediment.
What do you think, bud?
I think I'm ready to have trucks out here, and some warm weather and some camping.
You know what? You should always pick up trash. Always pick up the trash. All right.
I'll go back down there.
But don't give it. That's dead. My wife. I got special things. Don't give it more. I love y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be real, be real. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Don't play no games. This ain't no games.
What is that
It
noise?
might inflex. What?
Is it the bed or is it the tires?
I don't know what you're talking about. That's great. How's your arm there?
Well, dirty.
Is the shot worth it, you think?
Oh
Yeah.
Wow.